can't believe that this car actually has a Greek name. Yes, yeah. Atara. Atara. What is Ati?
A stud. A horse retained for breeding. A stallion.
Okay. And the big stallion, the big horse, the muscly, the one that is for war. What do we call that in Greek?
Atara. A steed. It's a very fast and strong horse for war and racing. A fast road bike is also referred to as a steed.
Exactly, that's exactly right. The big, muscly horse, the stallion, that is the Atara. And that's what the name of this car is. And also the Camry, I think it's from the Camry, which means pride in Greek. Oh, okay. So Greek names all over the place.